Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about Google Chrome's new split view function. This lets you have two tabs in the same, split in between the middle. So let's jump straight into it. So say I want to have these two tabs side by side. What you're going to do is right click, come down to the second option, add tab to new split view. When you click on that, you're going to see you have two options. I can choose one of these tabs, and it also makes them combined, as you can see over here. So let's choose booking.com. That's gonna come over here. So as you can see, we have them split side by side, and I can navigate over here. I can click on something else, not gonna affect this one, and the same goes for this one. So let's say you want to go back. You can see over here at the top, you have it shows you which tab is happening, is functioning, which tab you are basically working with. So if you want to go back on this tab, make sure it's on the right. If it's on the left, if I click on this tab anywhere, you're going to see it's going to switch into the left tab. If I press back, it's going to go back on this tab. And in this case, let's say I wanted to go back on this tab. So you make sure it is selected, then press back. That's how it works, basically. One other thing you can do is you can resize to your fitting, and you can also close one of the tabs by coming on to at the bottom. This one is for the right tab and this one is for the left tab. You can also close one of the tabs by left clicking. You can close the left tab, close the right tab. You can also reverse the view. So this is just switch between them. Let's go back to how it was before. So let's say I have two tabs open now. Let me point out that the split view only works for two tabs. You can only split between two. You can't have a third one over here. So let's right click this one and let me show you what happens. So basically it replaces this one. So you can only have two. Keep that in mind. So let me close this tab to show you that you can basically drag the link. So I have this link over here. Instead of right clicking and going on split view, I can just drag it to the left and let it go. There I have it. Before this new function to split the view, what you would have to do before was come over to the new tab, drag it, come over to the right until it shows you that gray area, let go. Then you would have this tab on the left. Now you would have to do the same for this tab. And this was the old way of doing it. That was it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video.